can call me Yuli. 30 years old, married. I have one girl, 10 years old. My experience in Saudi Arabia 4 years, from 2019 until 2023. My job is to general housework, wipe the window, clean the sofa, wash the clothes, ironing and cooking. I can cook Arabian food, kabsa, biryani, macarona and salad. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family and children. Now I am in the kitchen. This is coffee maker, blender, gas stove, frying pan, and this is spatula. Finish.